Bon nangi le si ngi perkhat ba kiling do bon sien kidei kebailap tang ya kakam mensiam ban yalap ya kaktin ublei ban terwamas ban pet ya kijaka puli ni kibe kibenta ba kidei ban le katkam kajing betha kiba halor hendai nalor kini kikam babha ba kile dan pat kisap kerpang ba ublei ula benta ha kijing long briu kum ha karwai ka siau kaput katem bat kibe Menta ka kenti na kaliang ka saskam kala ayo banyak kendu bat wei uling do ka balang na nagalan ubadan ya kasap ba compare na ka basumari gi bapang bastam baharukom bat ki jiyo jingkot wala ka de ke jingpang ka bala islam bat he tang de ki kambat ki ba ka mai mariang ka penmi udairu uling do sa blei ba paunam hakari India bada ka than chatele mengi ufada Godfrey Wilasal Thapo ubade na ka diocese Kohima jong ka jala nagalan Uni uling do nang prat bojo ai dawai wan smar hagijing smar tanrai jong gejai ban riu rulung hagijing yakrem bo saskom uni uling do udei balayo jing tibet na kibor bahalor ka diocese ban le kerpang ya ken kam yalap na bapun kot ya gijing pang ki baharukom ufada Godfrey Wilasal Thapo habai kren ya kerkom smar jung ulong bagade ka sap ka balai kerpang do blei yu na ka benda ki breu ke badan kam ya gijing pun kot da ka ba smar bat ai dawai Ula ongru bahaswa bun ai jing semar ya kinong pang kabenta ka baningkong kalong ban pan bor shwa no blei da jing dwai shwa ban kata ba semar ya kibriu bon na kibriu haba ki yo sngo ya ka kerteng une lingdo ki juwan ba jalum ban yo jing semar hapadeng ka jing jinjar khamtam ki baduk ba jinjar na ki jaka nong kondong jong ka jala satela mingi une lingdo udei wala shakri da ki bon snam komlingdo trairi baru la shakri met ba mesim ha ka jing semar lingba gejing persang barit ha ka semar tanrai ha ka culture jang kijai bendio naga
we cook in the milk and then we 8 times we boil it in the milk. After burning this one it has become a red hot like charcoal, and then afterwards we can section according to the needs. We can polish it and then we can boil it. Now this is used for snake bite cases. So you can make snake stone medicine for yourself. And so when the snake bite a person, we just cut with a clean blade and then we put this stone against it and then we tied it up or we just plastered it. Then the poison is absorbed by this stone. So this can be used for even dog bite cases, scorpio, then spider, then whatever poisonous you think it has beaten you. Okay. We take this papaya and then we just take the latex and we try to scrape all the skin and we crush it. And then afterwards we'll add it gur, jaggery. And then we make a paste and then put on the beaten region. And then tie it with one leaf or two and tie it up. So the rabies is destroyed. You will not be affected by rabies. So it's a very simple method. Supposing a person is having TB, we just cut this. We buy from the market this lemon, cut it and we'll juice out. We'll take at least 1 liter of lemon. So the recipe is 1 liter of lemon, 2 local eggs, 1 kg of gur. So with this we can make TB medicine. So first you break it, the local egg, and put it in the container. It can be center fresh container. It can be in a stainless steel pot. And then you pour this lemon juice into it and then stir it. You can keep closed. After 3 days, you can sieve it. You can sieve the fiber and throw it away. And on the 4th day, you can put this gur, jaggery. And then you can add it and mix it and keep it for another 1 month. After 1 month, the medicine is matured. Then you can use it as for your bronchitis, asthma, irritation of the throat, cough and cold, and then most especially TB, tuberculosis. Now, even if a person is on the towards the last stage, the person is going to die. With this, you can revive, you can heal the person. But you have to keep it for 1 month. 1 month is the maturity for the medicine. Now you see all these medicines. more than 100 medicines a year. If you want to make a wonder ointment, miracle ointment, you have to get mustard seed oil. At least 5 liters of mustard seed oil, boil it in a karai or in a big dichi or where you have sufficient pot to boil it. After boiling for 1 hour, slow heating, and when the smell is evaporated, you can take down the oil and slowly one by one you can put all these things into the pot or the karai. And then you have to take up to the oven and start boiling. You have to go slow boiling, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, even 4, 5 hours. We usually in my center, that is Nagaland, we used to boil it for 10 hours. But we have to monitor. Once you start cooking oil, we have to monitor, we have to be there. It's very dangerous if you are not able to process properly. It can burn, the fire can burn, and it can catch the fire and then it can start burning. So it is very dangerous. Therefore, when you are cooking the oil, you have to be nearby. Somebody has to look after the oil. The only thing is we have to keep a lid or else some kind of banana leaf, and then we have to remove the fire. And this is how we control without getting panic. But this oil is, once it is boiled, it is used for massage, used for body application like eye drop, ear drop, for toothache, for headache, for body lotion, for sunburn cases, for all types of skin diseases. So even up to skin cancer, you can get healed. And so this oil has got a multi-healing power, property. Because so many medicines, once it is boiled in the oil, all this power is coming to the oil. And this is how we extract. When the oil is completely boiled and when it has become charcoal, we separate the chaff from the oil when it gets cool. And this is how we bottle it.
Ulaya thuru bolo juwan barabor sanong ba Shillong ban semari badan kam habaki wan ban khot yu. But how can ka ganti kalong ka jingkhot ka ba kham sngot tanat yu namar utrang banyo ya slok ya ka kam jing penkot ya ki briu lingba ka jingpang jing stom ya ka ba ulawan ban semar la jan chitayo ha ka parish St. Francis Xavier Mausen Ram. Ha ka jing ai jing semar ha Mausen Ram la sakhi ya ki spa ngot kinong pang ki balawan ban tuoj ban mat ya ka jing penkot ya ki kti jong u. Hagijat Jingpang kebakidon. Ringkat parish priest kanong thamai parish ubalasha semar hauni ulingdo. Bat danru na kilap thai kebor habakilawat jingtip bat sakhi na kinong sha semar kila syam ya jingtibet bat kot ya kirkom kta jungu. Nangta karkom kem bat ai dawai jungu. Kem Jingpang bakam he kem ka cancer kibakdia kakti bakdia kejat haba or ne ha nangta ki bayo stroke. Hagbala sakhiru yu way ubayat bet sendan mar sendep kta mau.
As a traditional healers, we also have to learn more things, especially from the institution where they offer knowledge. So I really wanted to learn about these healing methods. So I asked my bishop, the diocese authority, also to go for studies. So I went to Pune, I went and studied for 6 years. That is a holistic approach to health. American scientific and systematic healing, Chinese traditional healing, Japanese traditional healing. And all the healing that is pertaining to whatever healing that we can bring, that is welcome.
And itu ipi kiniat menin ke jingjaba dengan adab ka because ngayo ya ka cancer mo lung cancer. Tapos bangayo jingtip na ihilar siya bangayo jingtip ngalayo ngalale lupa ya ngalale siya ya ka X-ray check up ni type rokoite kami improve ra kata ka medication ka bangashim. Te nga perkhat nga puson nga dawai bleng ang jisu lada memang yang peninga kelenti mah lah memang mami ban penida kanu kelenti ke bahak babet tapi ini mami kumnungan sumar kumnungan nganle ngai ikti zombie. So hantahi immediately ngayo ka call na hilarious yung ba iba Paul ya kanu itai Father James na ni Pop Mausen Ram itu Father Godfrey, dengan by Father Godfrey, who is a holistic healer himself, divine healer, traditional healer, ila batai mana ipi. Te awan sini, then ipai janga ikli ke history, ke Jepang you tengah batai I baru, te ila pencam massage and masan kita milih masuk bupai beneng. Kata ke massage ke ba, so tenat adu kata kita jauh kita kedor kita kelan kita kilabet lut mah masuk kumta. Te ila ai kidawai te ngala penjau kami arli kidawai ngasong kada yarap shibun tengah kentukan pam ya Father Godfrey to please come over again to Shillong, like what has told us, advised, or maybe has talked about to please come to Shillong again, come to our place. We will have a nice session out there, especially with the people who are really in need of good health.
Kindiat habai day begurkam kle dawai jungu. Upendan kam deki umpnyang balak senahi, bar balak syat bha, dah kebak kle lang, deki kanbat, ki plang, ki langyap, kumju ki thiet ding, ki balayap, dah kebak syat bha yaki hadu kemban riu kenta Ya kani kejing semar klem siu Kelalong kejing kurku ke bakrau yaki paj ba kathai mau senrau. Haringkat kejing kai, ban pinseng uthu ikpaj ba, kumno ban semar ya kejing pang ki bajungat, batingko man la kesengi. Ulai kejing kai ikpaj ba banyada na kejing pang jong kamariang, khamtam ba ki thain nong kendong, ki ba im da karep kareng, kejungat ha kejing po bsen, kejing sha daj ha kinyang latham, bar kalong ka ba ban yo dawai, ne ka shem jing ban lek pha semar syaki hospital ne ki doktor ha keju ka porhi. Ulong ban yo ya kita kejing penjam, kalong ka basuk tang da ka basnahi ya ki dawai, da ka ba pendan kam da ka umpnyang refine, ka bla shet harikat ki plang ki kenbat bar ki snap dieng snap so. Ka balong ru karkom shet dawai bat sna dawai ka babhatam bat ka bariam dortam. Uling do thapo ubala pelit jingmut ba kinong pang ban yo ai jing semar ka ba paka ha ka ba menta ula semar hadu silak san phau hajar ngut ki briu. Ulai thu ba bo na ki briu ki ba semar hu ki dei ki bladu jing kermen bad umju kenta yaki. U semar kumju bad unang ai min sim shishu yaki bakin kot kin khya no kloi. La ban rap ru ba bo na ki nong sha semar ki dei ki bawan ki bom don lat shu.
I put this mustard seed oil.
Yes.
Mustard seed oil has got at least nerach and then engine oil. We boil it for now almost 2 hours. Now to test whether the oil is already
Ready.
boiled or not, we are putting salt. Now it's okay, more or less.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm putting this much. Now, one by one, we are going to give more than 60 of these ingredients. We have to be very careful of the eye.
Yes.
Especially this stuff.
With measurement or just to...
Our measurement is there. Yeah, we have already measured and kept. In case when the power is too much, we have to reduce the fire immediately. And
How many hours it take?
it will take another 2 hours to 3 hours.
Habai itu benia ulai lek stem ban yo kawai ke jaka ajing semar ke belatip kerteng kemka Holistic Healing Center bat Research Training Institute ke badan ha jaluki jengke Peren District ke bajengai kemba prapau kilometer na southwest kanong ba Kohima. Ufada thapo habai itu bon ki jai mendri rulum naga ki pedan kam bej bat chania bej hagi dawai kan bat ban semar ban kemmet kempat. Ya kani la le bat hikai de kilong shwa man shwa jengki hagi pau hajar snem. Ufada thapo ulalong wei na kinong semar tenra jo kejat benriu naga banyo jihikai ban penkot na do bo dangrit baula dan kasap balai dala ki kme kpa bat ki kme kpa ki jupeni tho ye ki plang ki kembat kumno ban penankam habashna dawai lasdang ban ai ki jing smart ya ka baula asdang ru nadu badang dan ha jaka police seminary da ka bayarap ya ki para bayu pulilang ka ba ki jungat ha jing mensau ha bai le kai ha ka ba penankam na ka ba tuat shwa nang ta satan sa khem yaki hadin kani wala sya penketang lingdo no house nam arajar kala donru ke jing sange sipor ya ka kam jing smar jungu bad ya ka kam jungu la shimti da ka kme jungu henry kanam jong ni lingdo kala nang por state kumta ki bahalor ki pha byang banle kumju ya commission smar breu namar ki breu ki dan kam yu bad ki kwa hi bade banle ya ka sap ka ba blei ula ai hu kadba ki bar bahalor jong diocese Kohima kila yu ya kani kila batha yu banle puli pendibit ha ka than holistic healing bad ki medical mission sister ha jinglai puli jungu bat ki nakaleng jungki kem dan kam ban batai shibon namar ki shem baula long bala tibet lupa badoi lungdo badan ya kasap henry upadan kam ya kapor ban puli da ka jingkai samartan rai jong kinong China but Japan.
For us, being a spiritual leader, we have to pray, we have to discern the will of God, and we have to do something for our people. So first and foremost, after having studied all this, I came back and I wanted to teach our people. And I have established a center, and that center is called Global Holistic Health Healing Center, Research and Training Institute. That is Jaluki under Parenti Street. That is in that falls as a mission of the Diocese of Kohima.
Father Godfrey, they went without nagitaki traditional healers. They be shunanghi, you don't get sub-blay, but ilawan Puliru Shah Bangalore. Was it in Bangalore? Pune, Father?
Pune.
In Pune, yeah. And he had studied ila Puli, la kanusnam drusnam, ne? Drusnam ila Puli, yigini ki herbal medicines, yigini ki dawai kenbat mo. They be shunanghi, they you don't get sub-blay, but idali Puliru yigini. They had to get alantiga jung e, they kapanang ya kisngi kisnam. Kat winang treat ye ki patients ki nongpang ki bun ma ki bejam nag nega jing sumar jing father te sakoi bang yo kamene kolong ba yong ba I kham ki bun ma ki bakot ru ki bayu jing pang kinu ne ki chronic disease ne ki chronic sickness ki ba ki jing pang ki blak kham shi e ban sumar shu shuwe te ki bun ma ki bri ki pelut ki bun ma ki pisar habanek sumar hospital la ki don ki jing pang barit na ba he nai tamalong larapi sumar pat dagini ki herbal medicine dagini ki dawai kenbat ki ba I father I ishna la ni ayam ki jembe ki don ki bapang cancer ru ki jemhi mo te I mention skoi masutana de yong ba using nai garlic using oh urunsun sorry urunsun ude we ni ki jing ne ki taki dawai ba batai ya kamat real Tidak fikir ban keli hanur kom ban sumar ladi do urunsun nai ifada don ni kadang ya kani ka miracle camp sakam kanus selesai tapi la ban keli ni hanur kom ban shed lane ban penbiang penkre ya urunsun ban ta ban sumar ladi mar way ni kita ki dawai ba na pren ki way bat ki jajeng thung mo ki bang yo te sakway ru kolong ba ka jing ketu mo na kaleng jong ifada kolong ba kini ki dawai deh ngiyo bun na kamai meriang kejungi, nak saudong sokun kejungi. Te hoj ka jung cultivation ka tu ka jing rep ki omna jung cultivation. Rep serti mo ngatrai sini semua seram kidang le amnai. Ho kidang le. Te hoj ka tu kerangya nomor ba. Ki nong rep beli ki imja kepo na tu. Tang ba hawe geleng pada ka de jing penduk bakhrau ya yang ngi brio nomor ba ladang ngi thang ya ka khlau ngi penduk penam ngi khlau ngi du no gini jing thau yang ni jing thung gini ki herbal medicines gini ki jing dawai kumbat nomor ki bun ma ki mi hari khlau ki mi haki aka saudong sokun de jing tu golong ba ni le kat bala ban pene pensa ya kam mai marang jungi saudong sokun jungi ki khlau tetap nomor nang tu penyo ya ki dawai kumbat harukom ibla ban penkot ingin awu pos ko ipan
halendat kani ka kam ufada thapo obo hagjing dwai ban aingo iki kam ki ba e ulaya thu bala yo jing terwa ka ba he na blei haba puli ya jing tho ba khoi bat ujubo jing kliru iki nong pang na ka ba ong phijubo jing dwai ni em shwa ban wan sha sumar hagarkom sumar ka shimpor shiteng kenta wei nong pang ban sumar haringat ka jinga slok barki Ufada thapo la etho la jan kamba phapho person na kinong pang jungu kide ki kinthei. But kasem jing'e yu ban batai ban smart namar bakidon la ka jong ka jing'e ha ka met ka phat but ka jat jingpang jungki. Kindiat banya phai chapang unei lingdo nong smar briu. Ula yo ru bon ki kusnam kemuwei na kilingdo ka than chate la mengi ha ka baulala ban kintiu shibon ya ki sap smar briu ha ka smar tanrai jingki pai rulum. But how sem arhajan nyo ula yo pediang ru ya ka kusnam kebla tip kum classic award. But ula long way na kilingdo ban kong na kilingdo Catholic na kejala Nagaland.
Today what I'm doing, I have been doing because I'm a priest and the church, the diocese authority allows me to do this. They have given me, you go ahead, we give you as a, this one, as a person. You go and help our people. And today, the year 2000, I started. And today, single-handedly, I have treated around 170,000 people. And today, most of these people, whether they died or not, they are happy. As an individual, we have respected them when they are alive. And what I can do, I have given my best. And what I can do for my people, I have gone out of my way. 2003, I started teaching, taking so much initiative on my own on herbal medicines. So today, I have been teaching almost the entire Northeast. NGOs, they clap themselves together and call us. And they call different villages. From each village, 2 persons will come and attend our classes. And then they learn. This is how we have in Assam, in Mizoram, Nagaland, and even Manipur. We have been teaching. Now our diocese, we have trained 150,000 health workers. So they are doing well.